Oh, Ela Beach, where the sea meets the city, where yesterday still whispers and tomorrow shines tonight. From the shores of Papua New Guinea, a story of a city growing strong. Ela Beach, Ela Beach, your journey lives in our hearts. Hey. Hey. I remember the days of the early 80s, when Port Moresby was young and free. Open shoreline beneath the trees, yeah. Families gathered by the sea, barbecue smoke rising in the evening, children running barefoot in the sand, young hearts dreaming of tomorrow, with the future resting in our hands. The city was growing, finding its way, a young nation learning day by day, and Ela Beach held our memories, like a photograph that time can't fade. Oh, the years have come and gone, like waves rolling to the shore, but the spirit of those days still lives forevermore. Ela Beach, shine tonight, jewel of the Pacific, burning bright. From the shoreline of yesterday to the city rising today. Ela Beach, we remember the laughter underneath the trees. We can build, we can grow, but never forget where our roots still grow. Now I see the lights reflecting, dancing softly on the sea. Modern buildings reaching upward, a new Port Moresby I can see. Reclaimed land becoming a waterfront, architecture standing proud and tall. Oh, signs of vision, signs of progress, a new chapter unfolding for us all. Oh, the city moves with changing times, business grows along the shore, people gather, dreams are building, and Ela Beach is becoming more. Oh, but beneath the lights and concrete, there is something that remains, the heartbeat of our families, the memories of yesterday. Ela Beach, shine tonight, jewel of the Pacific, burning bright. From the shoreline of yesterday to the city rising today. Ela Beach, we remember the laughter underneath the trees. We can build, we can grow, but never forget where our roots still grow. Progress is beautiful when it carries our people along. Development is powerful when our identity remains strong. Let the towers reach the heavens, let the waterfront shine, let the roads and lights of tomorrow tell the story of our time. But remember the children who once ran along the sand. Remember the families gathered, remember the dreams we held in our hands. For the young PNGBC bankers who walked those streets back then, young men with dreams before them, building futures as young men. From the Hilton single quarters to the city by the bay, life was shaping destinies in a very different day. Those memories belong to a generation who watched the shoreline of yesterday to the city rising today. Ela Beach, our memories remain through the sunshine and the rain. We can modernize, we can grow, but our roots will always show. Ela Beach, Papua New Guinea, your story is our story too. Yesterday gave us memories and tomorrow waits for you. Ela Beach, from yesterday to tomorrow. The lights may change, the buildings may rise, the city may grow, but the heart of Ela Beach will always be there. Family, community, hope, memory. Ela Beach, shine on, Papua New Guinea. Grow strong, but never forget where we came from.